Good afternoon, my name's Oliver and this is my IFB102 project. So here we are, we're going to run Raspberry Pi here by typing in emulation station, which launches the application. So it's going to launch the applications and all the ROMs I've done for it. So with some of these games, the high scores wouldn't save. So figured out and basically got into the files and enabled a lot of different settings, which took a long time to get the high scores for this game to work and some of the others. And there's my previous high score. I wanted to make sure it was achievable. I'm going to prove that I can play this and add some credits. You can hear some sound. And I'm going to start. And I'm going to play the game. I'm going to get a new high score and you'll see the number go up. And then I'll exit the game, come back and show you that I can save high scores and that it will still stay right there. And then I'll tweet that high score. Cool. Alright, I'm going to try to show you now. I'm on 2006 and we're just going to shoot here. And I'm on 2017 now. So we've got the new high score. I'm just going to die now. There we are. So now that's game over. We're going to let the time go out. There you go. Just be... so now it should show me at the leaderboard, hopefully. No, alright, we're gonna exit the game. It's gonna launch us back here. We're gonna run it again to see if the high score is saved. There it is, just running the emulator. So this is done through MAME 2003. And that's, there you go, saved, and there's the B there. So all the high scores are saving, thank gosh. It took a long time to do that. That was my previous one, AA1. The way this had to be done is I've had to run it through a USB, as the SD card saving on it just wouldn't work. It would be loaded over the settings menu within the application. So I've had to run it through a USB and get it to run through the USB. And so the highscore.dat files in here, MAME 2003, and basically how this is and how the reason I cannot open one of these files and copy and paste the high score I just got into Twitter is because the way it's stored is this .dat file here communicates to the game and then creates another file called a .hi file, which is a high score, and it's all in binary code. Here's MAME 2003, here's the game I just played called 1943. You can see here in the high section that there's the .hi section there. I cannot open it, I can show you. Because it's all in binary. So as you can see here, it does not look like a text file or whatever is not supported. Can't read it. Windows 10 can't read it. You have to run it through an emulator. Alright, here we are. We're at the Twitter part now. So you can see we got the Twitter bot here. We're just gonna run the code now to tweet, which is sudo Python Twitter. I'm trying to do this one hand, sorry, I'll just type it out. Okay, sorry about that. This should work. I realized I wasn't probably in the right directory. So yep, that looks like it went through. It came back. So let's go to the Twitter account and let's refresh it. And there it is. So new high score 1942 and the score I just got. Great. So that's my mini project. Yeah, it took some time to get that all working. Here's the little design thing. I should have probably put the case on, but I didn't. But yeah, that's it. Thank you. And bye.